Exhale, lie in the back, knees beside the ribs. Now left first, left behind, and the right. Interlock your fingers behind the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release Nava. Dasha, roll back to Chakrasana. Ekadasha Urdhvamukha. Dvadasha Adhomukha. Tittibhasana A.